Welcome back to Professional Tutors. In this lesson, we will discuss specialized cells. When we studied cells in the previous lecture, we talked about the basic plant and animal cell. Now, when cells differentiate by developing subcellular structures as an organism develops, these differentiated cells are called specialized cells, and these are able to perform a particular function. So not all cells look the same. Some cells have special shapes and features to help them do a certain job or a certain function. We will look at 7 examples of specialized cells in both plants and animals. Focus on how the structure of cell relates to its function. First is sperm cell. It is a reproductive cell found in testes. Its function is to fertilize eggs with the help of tail. This middle piece provides energy to the tail for its movement. The head of sperm contains enzymes which allows it to digest into an egg cell, hence fertilize it. Next is egg cell or ovum, which, as we've discussed, fuses with sperm cell. It has a large cytoplasm with yolk as an energy store. Next are ciliated cells. Ciliated cells are responsible for removing mucus with the help of hair-like projections called cilia. Cilia sweeps mucus with trapped dust or bacteria. The red blood cells or RBCs are responsible for oxygen transport. Its biconcave shape provides a large surface area. In humans, RBCs have no nucleus. Nerve cells are also called neurons. These cells transmit nerve impulses or carry electrical impulses around the body. Now let's see specialized plant cells. First we have palisade cells. Its job is light absorption and photosynthesis. Palisade cells have lots of chloroplasts which are responsible for photosynthesis, and it has a large surface area for absorption of water and minerals. Root hair cells are responsible for the intake of water and minerals from soil. They are adapted to its function as they have a large surface area to do so. The thin cell wall makes it easier for the minerals to pass through it. Root hair cells have a large vacuole which speeds up osmosis, bringing more water inside the cell. Thank you for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.